Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials and the Green Engineers, and welcome back to my water jet series. I believe this is video number 7 or something. Let me see, what video is this? Video number 8. So it's video number 8. Alright, so we heard back from Skype. Speaking of which, let me close this so I don't accidentally activate it. To go through this list here for the parts for the X5ST500 material list and pick out what stuff we want and what stuff we don't want, and kind of go from there. And that's probably most of what we're going to be doing in this video. We might go to other stuff. Well, first an update. So I sent another 20 emails to the state of Texas today for more quotes on the water jet or laser, to figure out again how much money this is worth and see how low we could get it. Again, we had 135 quote, including material for 6, which is pretty good. But we'll see if we go lower. If not, then I'm gonna say material costs probably about $20. So that's about $115 for the $115 for labor or so for 6, including materials for whatever they're using, water jet, laser, whatever. So theoretically, I'm gonna say $15 is probably a little extreme. I guess $15 is fair for upkeep for all of the material for water jet. Because again, water jet is extremely expensive to use. So I'd say $15 is fair for operation costs. So that leaves $100. So $100 in labor and time. Well, time, labor, same thing. So I guess this machine is worth that $100. So if that was the case, it'd probably take, again, like we said, 25 machines. I'm gonna say probably be in this bill about $2,500. I'm sure we could do less than that, but I'm sure we could do it for. This is like $100. I'm sure we could do it for another 500. So that means $2,000. About 2,000, maybe a little less than 2,000. So then that's 20 machines, and so if I think about that, how much I'm making right now. Let's see. From that, how much we got quoted from the water jet shop and laser shop, whichever one, I can't remember exactly. I'm gonna also get a quote from those guys again for stainless. So let's see. To get what I'm making right now, part time. Let's see. Oops. Okay, times. Okay, so that divided by. Oops, sorry, Tiger. Let's say 2. So 8 divided by 5. So I'd have to sell about 0.37 per day times 5 days. So that's about 2. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking. About 2 a week, I think, and I'll make quite a bit. I'll be making what I make right now. So times 2, and that's of course what I'm making right now. Taking tax off. If it's an LLC, it goes through to at the end of the year where you declare your income, and then you would take either pay tax or don't pay any tax at all. Okay, so yeah. I mean, it's pretty low for California, but then again, that's like bare minimum. And again, this is 1 out of 3 machines I plan on selling. So if I do like 2 machines of this, 2 machines of that, 2 machines of that, then I think I would be in really, really good shape. I highly doubt I'm going to sell 2 of the fill factories. So the idea is sell 1 fill factory a week, 2 shredders, and 2 EcoBase 3D printers. The EcoBase is probably going to sell more, but that is the idea. So now that's 5 days a week, 5 days out of the week, and obviously spending very little time assembling this. It's designed to be assembled pretty quickly. So we have that idea. So let's see if we can get that price any lower. So now we're back to talking about, so that was just kind of an update. It's kind of cool to talk about this entrepreneurial type stuff and for machining. So we're back to our Tronxy list. So let's talk about stuff from this. So basically what she was saying is what out of this list do you want with the item number. So number 11, number 15, blah blah blah. So let's see. So definitely want number stuff we want. Stuff we want from list. So 11, definitely want that, which is all the aluminum extrusion. 15, that's the 2040. Oh, it has 2 different types, 2040 and 4040. Okay, so let's go down through the side. I was going from like here to here, but let's not do that. Let's go down. Now the screw we don't need, that's for Z, so we do not need that. And this rail, I believe this is for heated bed. And the stainless steel rod, I believe, is for, let's go to their Tronxy's website. Now, I believe that stainless steel rod, yeah, so this is that stainless steel rod, which I think would be great. So, but we don't need this. This is for the heated bed. So we do not need that. So we do not need 13, do not need 14. We do need 15. We do not need sliding rod because this is for the Z-axis. This is also for the Z-axis, and this is that brace. We do want that 18. And then here is the bracket. So this is the main bracket. This is 19. We do want 19. XY motors. We do want 110. Toolkit, sure, 111. Motherboard parts, do not want. Drag chain, do not want. Bowden, do not want. Z-axis motor, do not want. Flange bearings. I do not think that we want any of that stuff. Let's see. Oops. I think these are like idlers. Oh, I think those are the wheels? No. And I don't know what those are. So we'll ask about those. Oops, I jumped again. So main board, drag chain. Oh, no we didn't. Main board, don't want. Drag chain toolkit. I think this is a spool mount or whatever. I could attach another spool mount on this guy for if I want to do dissolvable sports, which I probably eventually do want to do. Okay. Bowden, no. Z-motor, no. 160. And then here is the nuts. Don't need the nuts. Don't need these support bearings. Don't need these. But I don't know about those. So we gotta figure out what those. 117. We do want the timing belt, the winding pipe, which is for wire management, cable ties, and end covers. That's fine. No Bowden extruder. Power box, 24 volt, 21 amp. I don't think we need something that big. 119 maybe, but I do like how it has a plug here. That's pretty nice. PVC sticker, no. PLA filament, no. Okay, so this is where, okay, so this is end stop. Speaking of which, where's all the end stops? Screw kit. Oh, we're gonna have to get these. Whatever. Where's all the end stops? Oh. End stops from 112. And so here is something that would definitely need to be upgraded, and that are these. So I'm not a big fan of having the acrylic for the boards here. So what I'll probably do is once I get these, I will take them and basically modify them so that they are steel or aluminum, mainly aluminum. Reason being is I wanted to transfer all the heat from the motor to the rest of the frame. And then maybe even have some thermal paste on this and thermal paste from here onto the frame, right? Because that's the big idea. So for right now, I am going to get it just to get us going. And then probably the first thing that I'll do is cut these on the water jet. Really, really fine quality, cut these. That would be the first cut, the first thing that we want to do. Hot bed, heated bed we don't need. Come on. Sliding assembly. Absolutely. Well, it depends if it uses a cheap one. Let's see. Can I use the one from X5SA? USB cable. But I think that is these. These look like. These kind of look like them. So same pulleys from X5SA? Question mark. Okay, 124. Can I use this? USB cable, no, I'm gonna want a longer one anyways. Power cord, I got a whole bunch in the garage. Do not need this. Shuffle. Trowel, do not need that. Aluminum profile seal. No. I mean, I already have one for this. Screw kit, definitely. 2 Sure for assembly kit. Whatever. Fiberglass board, no. Angle code, for sure. And as you can see in here, it's got gussets, which is really nice. Alright, so let's double check through here. Yeah, we got everything that we need. Yeah, so this is 2040, so this is some long stuff. Yes. These are the 4 corners. So yes, 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 no, no. Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. No. We'll end stops from here. So yeah, that's good. Good point. Let's look for any sort of detail in here. We want all that stuff. We want all that stuff. Don't want that. Yes, say. $111, no spool holder. Oh, the rest of the stuff is. Oh, these are clippers. That would be nice to have for this one. So I'll keep the clippers and use it on this printer here. Everything else in here. So what else do I need? I just need end stops there, right? Speaking of which, how do these plug in? Oh, so they have cables here? No, I'll just get my own cables instead of having them mess with that stuff. I'll get the right length cables. Should I or should I not? Basically what I'm talking about is these cables here. So some of them go up to the motors. I mean, obviously I need the end stops. I mean, I could even buy the end stops, not that big a deal, but still it would be nice to, I mean, that's the idea of buying the frame. So I don't have to, go and buy this stuff. And having it shipped directly from China makes it pretty nice. Speaking of which, what is that? 24 times 21. That's 500 watt. 500 watt power supply. I don't know what these are, but I'll keep them. If I don't need them, I'll toss them. That's fine. I don't think so. And then obviously I don't need that bag. I don't need a lot of that bag. But I'll take all screws and hardware. I'll find something to do with it. Or toss it or throw it out one too. I mean, I could always use some extra stuff for this printer. I have all the extra stuff down there. I already have a bag full of this stuff that I haven't even used yet. But this would be nice with gussets and stuff. Oops. Two, 3, 2, 4. Good. You could even throw in 2, 1 right now for good measure. And we'll paint it black or something and make it look nice. And maybe even like seal some of the wiring in so doesn't get wet and all that kind of jazz. I like that idea, so we'll use this to seal in the wiring. Okay, so I'll use that same thing here to hide a lot of the wiring when I get around to it. Alright, so that is basically what we were looking for here. Alright, so let's double check here for you guys. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 1 1 2, 1 5, 1 8, 1 9, 1 10, 1 11, 1 12, no 1 13, no 1 14, no 1 15, but 1 16 if I can figure out what the wheels are. 1 17, yes. 1 18, no. 19, maybe, probably not. And I'll probably have to do something with, making this watertight somehow. And storing it off somewhere else. So I'll probably have to do something custom with this. And also where it's going to mount is probably not going to work, because again I'm going to put the tank on the bottom, so I'm going to say probably no. Oh, we'll see. We'll see how much they want for the power supply. Okay, sorry. Zoned out there. 119 maybe, 120 no, 121 no, 122 yes. 124 yes for sure, and can I get the ones from X5SA with upgraded? Power cord, got a whole bunch in the garage with that cable on it, I believe. Trowel, no. Seal, yes. Screw kit, yes. Assembly manual, sure. Angle stuff, and other screws and whatnot. Yes, absolutely. All right, so that is it. So next thing that I want to do is I want to look for some that high pressure. Start looking for next few videos. We're going to start looking for the high pressure. And we might have to talk to Parker about this. So hose ID, inch. Oh, why does it go 3 then 2? Ooh. $34.5. Oh, there's low pressure stuff. That's still too low. We use hydraulic hosing. But still too low. Oh, I just noticed I had my fan on. It's just a little bit of background noise, so it's better for comfortability. 6,000. For to make Pascal to PSI. Oop. 42. 6,000. Still not high enough. 42. Do they have a pressure option? Oh, here we go. 60, it's about 70 megapascals. We're looking at 10K. We're getting closer. But yeah, something like that. Where it's got like triple, quadruple weave. It's kind of what we're looking for. $42, too low. 43, too low. Oh. Okay, 220. There we go. Now we're talking. That's 31,000. That's right up our alley right there. Maximum working pressure 220 hose ID. 4 millimeter. That's better. Nice. Okay, so let's see what we're looking at here. Hose ID 5/32, hose OD 10 millimeters, so a little bit over a quarter inch. Maximum working pressure 3,200, minimum burst pressure. So we're way, so we can push 30,000 psi all day long. Minimum burst pressure, maximum bend radius. So that's the next thing that we're looking at. 4 inches. Oh. That's interesting. Oops. So, this is something to find out. Ultra high pressure. So let's go ahead and take this. Let's add it to bookmark. Yeah, so this is already too high. So again, we want something that's kind of at where we need to be. Oh, it still has minimum bend radius 100. This is not going to be 100 though. This one's going to be... Okay, so it's a little bit thicker. And again, the reason why I want smaller is I'm thinking it's going to be a smaller bend radius, but we can check that right now. Once it loads. You wowzers. So almost 8 inches. So we are looking at this. So what I'll do for this one is I'll send get a quote. We are out of time on this video, but we'll get a quote and see what we hear back from Parker, and we'll do some more venturing. So this is the next point, is that we need to find the hosing that goes up, and then also we need to design the tubing that goes to the material. So I mean from the pump, from both sides of the pump. So in order to do that, I'm probably going to go to the shop and pull all my inventory of this stuff for this machine, so we can start doing some measuring and that kind of jazz. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been Waterjet number 8, and we are getting closer day by day. So we'll see how much this tubing here costs from Parker, and we'll look at in the CAD. We'll update the CAD and see exactly how long we need. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.